Are you overwhelmed trying to pick a robot vacuum that actually cleans your floors without breaking the bank? Don't worry, I've got you covered with a quick, energetic guide to the best options on the market. Today, I'm going to be going over the best robot vacuum that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Roborock QV35A, a compact, capable cleaning companion designed for efficient, everyday use in modern homes. Our target audience includes busy households, apartment dwellers, and tech enthusiasts who demand efficiency, quiet operation, and dependable scheduling features. Its chassis emphasizes portability without compromising durability, weighing under 5 kilograms and offering nimble maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. The build uses a premium shell and soft-touch trims on the Roborock QV35A, resisting fingerprints and feeling solid during everyday use. A compact footprint suits apartments, aligning with the Roborock QV35A's design language, with a low profile that slides under couches and beds. The docking station tucks neatly into corners, facilitating easy recharging while minimizing clutter and preserving floor space for the Roborock QV35A. Internally, a multi-stage filtration stack traps microscopic dust, while the Roborock QV35A's mapping suite leverages LiDAR and SLAM to construct layouts. Standout feature is zone cleaning with virtual boundaries, letting you designate no-go zones and focus power on traffic areas within Roborock QV35A. Another highlight is strong suction and efficient debris separation that reduces clogging, supported by a sizable dustbin and intelligent overflow protection. In real-world tests across a 2-story home with pets, the Roborock QV35A demonstrated consistent suction, quiet operation, and reliable pickup. With the Roborock QV35A, edge cleaning and transitions between carpet and hard floors were seamless, though thicker high piles revealed occasional slow progression. Battery life held up through a full Roborock QV35A apartment-level cleaning, and firmware updates improved mapping accuracy over several cycles. Compared to the Roborock S7 Max V, the Roborock QV35A delivers comparable daily cleaning but lags in advanced carpet performance and obstacle avoidance. The pros include excellent build quality, reliable mapping, and strong suction that handles pet hair with ease in everyday configurations. The cons include a higher price point and a larger charging dock that may dominate floor space in small rooms. At number 4, we have the Shark AV2511AE. From the moment you unbox it, this compact cleaner signals practicality for busy households needing hands-free, efficient, everyday floor care. Its design centers on a low-profile chassis suitable for under furniture, 12 inches across and about 3.5 inches tall. Powered by LiDAR-based navigation and smart mapping, it cleanly distinguishes rooms and avoids stairs while maintaining systematic coverage. A prominent self-emptying dock means you rarely handle dust, while a large bin stores weeks of debris depending on usage. Its 2500 PA of suction and extended battery deliver thorough cleaning sessions, and the low noise profile keeps occupants from distraction. In real life, it navigates around furniture efficiently, although high-pile carpets require more passes, especially near walls. The accompanying app provides scheduling, zone cleaning, and mapping updates, which translates into predictable routines and fewer manual interventions. When the battery dips, the charger docks itself and resumes cleaning exactly where it left off, minimizing downtime and maximizing daily coverage. The cleaning pattern remains methodical and predictable, reducing missed spots and ensuring edges and corners are tackled thoroughly. Wi-Fi connectivity enables firmware updates over the air, quick control from anywhere, and reliable app sync across devices. Compared to the Roborock S7 Max V, the Shark AV2511AE offers simpler maintenance and stronger self-emptying support, though mapping is slower. The pros include strong build quality, excellent suction power, and a convenient self-emptying dock. The cons include a higher price and a bulky base footprint. At number 3, we have the Roborock Q10. From the moment you unbox it, the Roborock Q10 signals modern engineering designed for busy homes, pet households, and tech enthusiasts alike. Its target audience spans multitasking parents, apartment dwellers, and remote workers seeking a low-effort cleaning companion with reliable scheduling. For those evaluating price versus performance, the Q10 positions itself as a mid to upper-tier option delivering long-term value. The chassis combines sturdy plastic with reinforced corners, while a matte finish minimizes fingerprints and conveys premium durability during daily use. Its dimensions fit compact apartments yet maintain a generous dustbin and robust wheelbase for stable navigation across thresholds. Weight sits around 2 to 3 kilograms, balancing portability with enough mass to resist accidental tip-overs during mopping transitions. Advanced LiDAR navigation scans rooms in real time, building a high-resolution map that updates with furniture changes without losing tracking. It supports multi-floor mapping, automatically recognizing different levels and resuming tasks precisely where left off, avoiding duplicate passes. Powerful suction combined with optimized brush design handles pet hair, fine dust, and stubborn debris on carpets and hard floors alike. In lab-like tests, its dirt pickup on low-pile carpets surprised with minimal scatter and consistent edge cleaning along walls. On hard floors, it maintained responsive auto mode transitions, delivering predictable performance during calendar week cleaning routines without user intervention. Compared to the iRobot Roomba S9, the Roborock Q10 offers longer runtime, more precise mapping, and lower maintenance costs. The pros include excellent suction power with quiet operation, efficient navigation that minimizes missed spots, and strong battery life for lengthy cleaning sessions. The cons include higher price relative to basic models and bulkier footprint compared to slim competitors. At number 2, we have the Tikom L8000 Plus, a highly capable robot vacuum designed for apartment living and busy households. From the moment you unbox it, the L8000 Plus signals value with a responsive setup process and a clean, modern aesthetic. Its compact footprint and quiet operation make it particularly suitable for small apartments, multi-story homes, and households with pets. The build uses a robust shell with a soft touch finish, a recessed bumper, and edge trimming that resists scuffs during daily cleaning. Measuring roughly 13 inches in diameter and just under 4 inches tall, it slips under furniture without feeling oversized or obtrusive. The dustbin and filter access are straightforward, with clearly labeled compartments and a tool-free lid that reduces break time between sessions. Under the hood, the Tikom L8000 Plus sports a 2600 Pascal suction motor and a battery that sustains up to 120 minutes on normal mode. The mapping system supports room-by-room cleaning and uses intelligent zoning to minimize repetition and speed up coverage across larger living areas. Climbing ability is modest, manageable over low-threshold transitions, while edge cleaning and corner precision help catch debris that others miss. In our lab tests and real homes, the L8000 Plus maintains steady cleaning performance across carpets and hard floors without aggressive throttle. We observed quick recall of charging docks and a short reconnection period when reinitiating after battery dips during mid-cleaning sessions. In long-term use, the motor and wheels remain quiet and responsive, showing minimal wear after weeks of daily use. Compared to the Roomba i3 Plus, the Tikom L8000 Plus delivers stronger suction, longer runtime, and a more economical parts ecosystem. The pros include robust build, intelligent mapping, and powerful suction that tackles pet hair and dense debris with reliable, quiet daily operation. The cons include a higher price point than budget cleaners and occasional delays in edge detection on reflective floors. At number 1, we have the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Right out of the box, its sleek chassis radiates durability and signals a practical commitment to daily home maintenance tasks. This model immediately communicates value through its 3-stage cleaning system, combining vacuuming, scrubbing, and mopping for efficient floor care. Targeting busy homes, pet owners, and compact living spaces, the device promises time savings through autonomous cleaning without constant supervision. Build quality feels premium with a seamless bumper, robust wheel arches, and a compact footprint that slips under low furniture with ease. Despite its compact design, the unit houses a surprisingly large dustbin and sturdy brush assembly that deliver consistent performance. Inside the chassis, a 3-brush configuration collaborates to dislodge debris from carpets and hard floors before the main suction engages. Navigation relies on advanced LiDAR mapping and simultaneous localization, enabling precise room mapping, virtual boundaries, and efficient routing through complex layouts. A manual water tank allows adjustable mop intensity, while adaptive scheduling in the companion app automates cleans around weekly routines. In real-world tests, it transitions smoothly between surfaces, maintains strong suction on carpet, and delivers streak-free mopping across sealed hardwood. Battery life proves competitive, delivering about an hour and a half of mixed cleaning runtime before needing a recharge to resume chores. The companion app provides scheduling, zone cleaning, and saved maps, though initial setup may challenge non-tech-savvy users. On pet hair and high-traffic areas, it maintains steady performance, while edge cleaning reaches baseboards with impressive accuracy and minimal misses. Compared to the Roborock S7, This model balances mop capability with simpler maintenance, though it trails in mapping speed. The pros include powerful suction coupled with effective mop integration, precise mapping, and quiet operation suitable for night cleaning. The cons include higher price and bulky dock that may demand extra space in smaller rooms, complicating placement near furniture and outlets.